What's going on, guys? In today's video I will share with you the complete method of running the Google ad on JVZoo products. You can choose any products from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Clickbank. The method is same, only I will show you the procedure. I will choose a product from JVZoo network only. So for that you have to come to the website manchai.com. You are aware of this website definitely. If you are an affiliate marketer or blogger, you are definitely aware of this because lot of YouTubers are telling about this website. This is a website where you will find future launch products. From here you can choose any of the product and you can apply for the approval, and they will approve you. If you are a beginner, sometimes they may not approve your product, so definitely you apply for more products like 3 4 5 or 10 products. You will get approval for some products definitely. So they are like today is 21st of June. You can choose any product from 23, 24th, 25, that future launch products. You choose any products like JVZoo product like Victory, Ekeep, Ecops 8L. Like this product is $37. And you can choose any product from there, but I have already written a review on a product like ADA bundle. I have already written a review on this, so I will take the example of ADA bundle for this video only. So what is that? First go to the ADA bundle, where you will find the JV page, and inside the JV page you will get all the information, and you have to apply for a get links here. How to get a account on JVZoo, that I will not discuss because you are aware of this. It is very easy. It's free. Go inside JVZoo and create your free account there. And I have applied and I have already get approval for the same. And you have to write something, some notes, that I have some experience on affiliate marketing. I got a good product of yours and I want to promote this product. Please give me the approval for the same. Like that, use like small things, small words, and they will approve your link. And here you will get the link. I have already approved by them, so here it is showing. So you have to copy this one. You have to promote this link. So now the second step is you have to write a good product review on that particular product. This is very much important because for before purchasing of any product, people want to know about the product. They want to know about the everything about the product, like from who are the vendor, what are the product features, and how it is important and it is worth buying or not, what are the pros and cons, and what are the advantages, and what are the price detail. Everything they will want to learn about the product. They want to know about the product, and you have to learn. You have to learn and also write the same thing in your review. If you have a review website, that is very good. You use your review website to write the review, but you do not have a website, that is not also a problem. You can use Google Docs. Sorry, you can use Google Sites for the same. This is also a very good platform where you can write a high converting review for you. Here you see I already written a review on ADA bundle. This is my review website, high quality review, where I have written ADA bundle. So if you can ask me that why, from where I will get all such information. You will get all such information inside the JV page. They will give you review access, they will give you bonus packages, they will give you all the information. You can check from here. Here they have given everything, that like that. These are the points you have to extract, or you have to find out all the information from the JV page. You can take the help of the sales page also. Like here we'll get the sales page. It is already open, the sales page. No, it's not the sales page. This is a sales page. You take help from the sales page also. Like the what are the price detail, what are the upsells, and each and everything you will get. And sometimes they gives the all the details, like get like promo tools. You open the promo tools from here. Here you will find launch docs, bonuses, email swipes, graphics, ads, and review post. Here you will find the complete review post. If you don't know anything, you can simply copy their review post, but all the product you will not find the review post. So let's check the review post page. For this particular product, they have given a complete review post. They have given two review posts, review post 1 and this is review post 2. You can simply copy these review posts and you can use in Google sites or medium.com also you can use, but I will recommend to go with the Google site. And if you have your own domain in your own website, that is the best thing. You will start generating traffic in your website while writing the content in your website, and as well as you will run the Google ads on that particular product. So the next step is to write a high converting review on your website or Google site or anything else. But a high, how to write a high converting review page or high content review, for that I have already create a video previously, so I will give the description in the description below, so you can definitely check how you can write a high converting review. There are 10 basic points from where you can write a high converting review. Like you have to give a good title, and you have to give some information like introduction and about the vendor details and about the product details, feature details, and it is worth buying or not, price detail, and everything is there. I will put the video link in the description below. Definitely check that one. So next come to the, if you have complete your review, next come to the Google Ads. Simply create your Google Ad account. It is easy to create. I will not go into the details of how you can create your Google Ads and all such things. I will not do. You are a affiliate. If you are an affiliate marketer, definitely you are aware of the Google Ads. Simply go to the Google, type Google Ads and create your account there, and and put your billing information inside the billing summary. Here you go and put your billing information, otherwise you will not able to run like that. Okay, I have already put my credit card detail inside this account. So come here and create new campaign. And we will run a website traffic. Choose website traffic here and then choose search ads, and here you put this link and continue. This is your review page link. Sorry, just give one name only, like add a bundle, add a bundle. If you want to run your Google ad or you want to show your ad only inside the Google, then uncheck both the search network and the display network. Here if you not uncheck this one, they will, your ad will appear on the search network and display network also, but we will run the Google ad in the Google only, in the Google display ad only, so we will not check these points. Here we will running the Google search ads. So we will not check search network or display network. Now come to enter your location. I will always suggest you to go with first tier countries like USA, UK, Canada, or Australia, New Zealand, like these countries. But for now, I will choose only USA. This is my favorite country, USA, for running any affiliate product, because I have seen that most of the conversions come from the USA only. So now keep it language, keep it English. You don't need to choose anything here. Everything is okay. And the budget, you choose the budget at least 1000 rupees per day. Do not give 500 rupees or 300 rupees. Start with 1000 rupees at least. And come to here. Do not choose clicks or anything. You just come here or select a bridge strategy directly. Not recommend. They are saying not recommended, but you have to click this one. And here you will find different option. I always choose manual CPC. Okay. And there are options like site link extensions, call out extensions, call extensions, like that. Here it is important to put site link extensions. You definitely put at least 4 site link extensions there. This will increase your quality score. Even you are bidding less amount with your competitors than your competitors, then also you can go to the higher ranking position if you put site link extension. This is very much important, but people don't like to put site link extension, but this is very important. So I will suggest you to put site link extension and put at least 4. The next step is save and continue. And here you name anything. This is for you only. Add a bundle. Add a bundle. Default bid. Choose 40 rupees. I like to choose 40 rupees or more. At least 0.5 cent is required if you try to promote in the first tier countries. 0.5 is mean by 35 or 40, like that. So you have to put 40 rupees at least in Indian money. So here they have suggested some keywords, but we will not go like that. For that, for keyword research, you can go to the tool like keyword planner. Google Ads is always slow. Even if your internet connection is fast, then also it will be slow. So here choose USA, United States, and enter, leave it, and add a bundle. Add a bundle. Search is not started yet because it is a very much new product and you will not found any searches there. But no problem, you can start with the add a bundle because searches will come definitely. Add a bundle. Add a bundle, you come, add a bundle. Add a bundle review. And you can put some other like add a bundle bonus. and come to the website keyword toaster. You have to choose more keywords related to ADA bundle, but here we are doing brand bidding, so we will provide the keywords on ADA bundle and related to ADA bundle only. Choose only the phrase match and the exact match. Broad and modified, and never choose broad match, and broad modified is also obsolete in the Google, so no need to choose this one. Only choose phrase match and exact match. So put this here. So here you will see there is no clicks and no cost. So here it is clicks not expected because the searches are very less, so you will not expect any clicks. So to bypass this one, you have to put some keywords like make money online, now you can see the clicks are coming, but but you have to keep in mind, you need to pause this keyword make money online when you publish your ad. So come to next, save and continue. Now add a school bundle, bundle review. Here you put add a bundle review, so you take the keywords from your review page. All the requirements of ADA like that. Quickly I'm just doing quickly I'm doing. You put good keywords related to your product, definitely do some research also. American acts like that, you put something like that here, and come to description, you put at least 2 description here. And come here again, you have to put good lines and good description. I'm just quickly doing filling this one, and save and continue. Add one issue, fix error, there is something wrong I feel. What is that? And no need to put this hyphen here, and again something is wrong. Sorry, here it is duplicate value. Here it is the same thing I have copied and pasted here, so I putting something else like this one. So save and continue. So it's okay now. just publish your ad and your ad will be published. But make sure after publishing your ad you must pause the keyword make money online, otherwise your ad will be showed to the wrong persons, so you will lose your money. So make sure that you will pause that particular keyword and your ad will be shown to the particular search keywords like Ada bundle. So that's it. That's all about the promoting the JVG products with Google Ads. So if you like the video, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.